Hello everyone. Today we shall look into Aster plot in custom visuals. You could get the custom visual in marketplace by clicking on this option and get more visuals. You could search for Aster plot and add it. I have already added it. Once you click on the visual, you could see that this is my Aster plot, and this Aster plot has one category and one y-axis. In category, suppose that I want to view the sales with respect to region, I would click on region, and in y-axis I would like to view my sales. So as soon as I drop the two fields like region and sales, I would get my Aster plot. You could see this is my Aster plot. Here I would like to like mention that you could see that for all the regions, west, east, central and south, you could see that this width of the slice, it is almost same. It is same in all the regions. And in y-axis, suppose that I, as soon as I bring my profit, you could see that difference in it. See, as you could see, as soon as I brought my profit, this width has readjusted accordingly. And you could see that I could notice that my sales and profit is maximum in west, and my, like, the second place is in east, and the third in central, and fourth in south. And based on the sales, the depth varied, and based on the profit, my width varied. So you could make use of multiple measures in the Aster plot. Similarly, now I would like to show you some formatting. Suppose that I turn on my legends. You could see that my legends are now on. I could increase its size. You could change the color if you want. You could rename this region. Instead, you could say my branches. Okay, so this is how you could turn on the title if you want, turn off the title, or and rename it the legends. You could increase the size of the legends. Now let us see what central label is. If I turn it on, you could see the central region. I'll increase the size of it to make it visible. Here you could see that my central label is now on the region. Okay, and if I click on detail labels, now you could see that my labels are on. To make it visible, I'll just increase its size. Now my labels are visual, like visible, and I would like to show it in millions. So these are my sales in millions, and you could make it little darker. So these are my detail labels. Pies colors, it is the colors of this pies which is visible in Aster plot. You could change the colors of it. And let us come to the next format setting. This is the outer line, which has multiple settings in it. As soon as I turn it on, you could see that there is a thin line over the Aster plot. I would like to increase the thickness, like maybe 10%. You could see that uh, after increasing the 10% thickness, you could see that there is a thin, like thin line you could see over the Aster plot. I could change the color of it, maybe some darker color. Okay, or similar color. So this is little darker color. I could see the thickness of it. And when I turn on my grid, you could see there is another internal grid which is forming, another internal circle which is formed. You could either turn it on or turn it off. You could even show the ticks values. If I turn it on, you could uh, see that in between there are ticks values. I would increase its size to show you what it is. Okay, now you could see that this is my 2.5 million, and this is my 5 point million range. Sorry, 5 million range. uh, this ticks values you could represent, or you could turn it off. And straight lines, if I these are my straight lines. If I turn it off, you may not be able to notice my straight lines. And text color, suppose I turn on my text values, and if I want to change the text color to maybe this color, you could see that my text color has been changed. Otherwise you could turn it off. These are few outer line formatting settings. This is how Aster plot is useful. Hope you are able to understand. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.